All right, let's go over the stuff I wanted you to try here again. So I got the F sharp Locrian one. We had those chords put in place of these. So try both, the original way and the new way. See which one you like better, and that's going to be the one that we keep. For the A Dorian progression, there's another way of playing the B minor that I think would actually could possibly be a better choice for you, because this isn't a bad way. It's definitely not a bad way at all. It is a good way. But I'm thinking of another way that could be even easier. So, thing to remember, we have covered two ways basically of playing these chords, where you have this voicing. Remember how the intervals are stacked. So you got the 1, 5, 1, 3, or 1, 3, 5, 1. So that goes for major and minor and diminished. So you got those two things to try. Both of those things to try out. Keep that in mind when you're trying to figure out what to do for the B minor into the C major for the A Dorian alternative. For G Ionian, yes, I want you to start with the other one. So you started with that, and what you got there, not bad at all. Actually, it works quite well. But I want to see what you think of, or how you feel about doing it another way. So basically, start it with that G chord, doing the 1, 5, 1, 3. And let's see what you come up with. And that was really it. So everything else, if you haven't played through it yet, definitely do so, because that's part of the next step. And scale memorization. Now we have 2 strings at a time. And let's get into playing this. So counting it as a 3, 4, no matter what. Change the now I gotta change my metronome sound here. I gotta remember which one is decent when you put it at 4, 4. Yeah, it ain't that one. I think that's the best one. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 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 1. Let's go to 100. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. I'm not used to it having an accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's give 180 a go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now the real fun one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and a 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 2 and 3 and 1 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get 180 to go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Number 3, the drunken gallop. Put it back on the usual sound. Oh, I'm clicking the wrong thing. There we go. Okay, 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E. Oh yes, need to talk about the fingering on this. I'm going to keep this as simple as you can. So you start with your A minor no 5. For the D5 over A, just put your pinky down and take it back off. G, C5 over G, put the ring finger down, and the F5, so for the F sus sharp 4 no 5, use my middle finger there, and then up here, G5 to get to the C5 over G next, is bar. So you try and minimize finger movement as much as possible. 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E, a 2E, a 3E, 4E, 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E. 100. Actually, I'm going to go to 90. This strumming pattern is really difficult to get fast with. So just keep that in mind as you're working it up. Way harder than a gallop or reverse gallop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's give 150 a go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And yeah, that is that. All right. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.